kids! Today we are going to review the letter sounds from A to Z. The letter A makes the A sound. A. The letter B makes the B sound. B. The letter C makes the K sound. K. K. The letter D makes the D sound. D. D. The letter E makes the A sound. A. The letter F makes the F sound. The letter G makes the G sound. G. G. The letter H makes the H sound. The letter I makes the E sound. E. 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 The letter J makes the J sound. J. J. The letter K makes the K sound. K. K. The letter L makes the OO sound. Ooh, 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 ooh. The letter M makes the sound. The letter N makes the sound. The letter O makes the aw sound. Aw, aw. The letter P makes the P sound. P, P. The letter Q makes the K sound. K, K. The letter R makes the R sound. R, 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 R. The letter S makes the S sound. S, 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 S. The letter T makes the T sound. T. The letter U makes the sound. The letter V makes the V sound. V, 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 v. The letter W makes the W sound. W. W, w. The letter X makes the X sound. X, 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 X. The letter Y makes the E sound. E, 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 E. The letter Z makes the Z sound. Z.